This diagram looks a bit dizzying, giving a sense of spiraling ascent. In the middle, there is a large circle with a radius of 100. The centerline of this circle divides it into 4 quadrants, with different sized and different numbered small circles around them. There are 5 circles in the 4th quadrant. In the 1st quadrant, there are 4 circles arranged. The 2nd quadrant has 3 circles. The 3rd quadrant has only 2 circles. The small circles within each quadrant have the same radius, and the outer circle is tangent to the centerline. Let's draw it in CAD. First, let's draw the large circle in the middle with a radius of 100. Then add the center line of the circle, leaving it a bit longer to facilitate the subsequent tangents of circles and lines. Next, we can draw some dividing lines in each quadrant, dividing the quadrant based on the number of small circles in each quadrant. This way, we can determine the size and position of each small circle. When drawing the dividing lines, we need to choose the counterclockwise order, selecting the 2 edges of the angle in sequence. Otherwise, it will result in what we have now, where the lines go outside the angle. So we need to choose the first edge and the second edge in counterclockwise order. This quadrant requires dividing the angle into 5 equal parts. Then we'll draw the angle divisions for the remaining quadrants. Next, we'll use the circle TTT command to draw each small circle. TTT stands for tangent, tangent, tangent. For convenience, we can use the polar array feature to copy these small circles. Select the center point for the array. Choose the number of items in the array, which is 5 this time. The range of the array is limited to 1 quadrant, which is 90 degrees. The 4th quadrant is done. Let's use the circle TTT command to draw the small circles in other positions. For the remaining positions, we'll use the polar array method to copy the small circles. Based on the number of circles in this quadrant, choose the number of times to copy and repeat the operation. Next, we'll delete the auxiliary lines, which are the angle divisions. By dragging the mouse from right to left, you can select all the entities it touches and delete them together. This is more convenient than individually selecting and deleting. Finally, add a radius dimension and the diagram is complete. Looks exactly like the original, right? Because the original diagram was also created this way. Thank you for watching.